Are you looking for an entry-level DSLR camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best entry-level DSLR cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Canon Rebel T6i. For gorgeous, high-quality photos and videos that are easy to share, look to the Canon EOS Rebel T6i camera. The EOS Rebel T6i does more, easier, making capturing photos and shooting videos a breeze. Its high-resolution 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor means finely detailed, crisp and natural-looking photographs. An updated light metering system means well-exposed images. HD videos are effortless with the EOS Rebel T6i's advanced AF that provides speedy and precise focus on subjects. Canon's advanced EOS scene analysis system automatically adjusts the camera's settings to produce the best results whether shooting friends, landscapes, sports scenes, and in tricky light situations. The 4th product on the list is the Nikon D5600. Stand out from the crowd with photos and videos so impressive, they'll inspire you to keep shooting and learning. Out of the box, you can leave things up to the camera and immediately start taking great photos and videos without the learning curve. As your skills develop, the D5600 offers plenty of room to grow with exceptional image quality, intuitive controls and powerful tools for pushing the boundaries of your creativity as far as they'll bend. Unlike others, with a battery lasting over 970 shots per charge, you'll be able to keep shooting all day long. You'll want to share every shot once you see the extraordinary detail, clarity, and low noise you can achieve with the D5600 and a versatile Nikkor kit lens. Its large high-resolution sensor and broad ISO range help deliver high-quality photos and videos in nearly any condition, from sunny skies to dimly lit concerts. The 3rd product on the list is the Pentax K70. An all-weather DSLR camera expands the boundaries of photo shooting with new opportunities and discoveries in scenic photography. The Pentax K70 has a compact body for easy carry-along to any outdoor shooting. Its outstanding weather-resistant performance and enormous imaging power, combining true-to-life image description and high-sensitivity shooting, make it extremely reliable, even in most demanding shooting conditions. Whether it is under bright, blue skies, on wild, overcast days, in the gentle rains, or under dark, starry skies, the Pentax K70 captures the beauty of nature in an astonishingly beautiful image. The Pentax K70 brings you new experiences, new excitement, and new discoveries in beautiful scenery, while helping you to be more masterful in outdoor photography. The 2nd product on the list is the Nikon D3500. You don't need to be a photographer to know a great photo when you see one. And you don't need to be a photographer to take a great photo, you just need the D3500. It's as easy to use as a point-and-shoot, but it takes beautiful DSLR photos and videos that get noticed. It feels outstanding in your hands, sturdy and balanced with controls where you want them. It's compact, durable and versatile, ideal for travel. And it works seamlessly with compatible smartphones, making it easier than ever to share your great photos. Even if you've never picked up a DSLR camera, you can take beautiful pictures with D3500. The 1st product on the list is the Canon Rebel SL3. Whether you're a first-time DSLR user, an aspiring photo enthusiast, or someone looking to capture those amazing family moments, the Canon EOS 250D can be the perfect companion. It's an incredibly small and light EOS DSLR camera, which is equipped with 4K recording capability, Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, and a vari-angle LCD for selfies and fun angles. Its 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor is combined with the powerful Digic 8 processor for amazing performance and results, and the EOS 250D lets you channel your creativity with functions like 4K time-lapse movie and Creative Assist. Wherever you are and wherever you go, the EOS 250D camera makes it simple to capture stunning photos and videos to view and share. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.